Lollipop! I've always wanted a lollipop. Here you go.
What?
Can you have it? Can you open it?
What did you say?
I said thank you so much, Megan. Can you open it?
What do you think, Ella?
Can you help me open it?
Mm-hmm. You say hi, Ben? Right here, Ava?
I want to say thank you. Hi, Ben. Hi, Ben.
Go ahead, Ava.
Hi, Ben. Ben!
Uh-huh. He says yes?